Nogosemeli kwanu mwanju muri Ndizi TV andonsia soberede ni wendede gutwara mu basoro muya anekro charagire Chinsa Isano nebire chabara basagarongo kware ne SMS magana maya etumana kaendete gwate kaime na isiko ya Gusii no kubori kwane irari bagari uri abene uranyamanya arendete gwate ka ime na isiko ya Gusii anene kere finance bill Ibere rigendete kwene kiwa igoro ye finance bill katwara omo bwasi miura umoja wa Kenya abukora wanaraira morodinga ni gobogendete kwamereri mono igoro ye finance bill yeyerengete gochiwe kase bunge ritko lya rero ritko lya ramis chitariki Isano iseto motino yo gatano mu mwaka w'ibiri na mirongo ibiri na iseto asiri tukora rero karaba kwanira aba Kenya nigo bamereire na komochi serikali ya Kenya kwanza nene karwade abone serikali nigendete kubeteria aba Kenya sogo chikubarusie bango ya igoro mono ayunga tierendete korekana ime na isiko ya Gusii asensemeri ya Uganda umurai wense ya Uganda Yoweri Kaguta Museveni iganyarede kagotoka nebinyinyi byenyama gose COVID-19 kolende abo bisabo bajana kurwase nse yoni gobaterna abaho chikoenda gukora imirimo yaye buno murai wense keragendede koba inse ya mariogo igekwene kuna COVID-19 pado negendete kutusumbwa ase ense ayunga tiyali amanga enda korekana ngene isiko ya Gusii kubuli obena inche go ikomelyo karuto kubatera nacho shota kurwa senseme muri banyereryo abigari nyanjama hara senseme ya maliyo yamo nechibicha eriane Brighton Makori Tiga bono tuya jage korwa se wodi ya Masige East yegotoka se bunge yababasi county ya Kisii asomwe msibwe wodi yo Michael Mitume anyarire gakogendera gosegeta bamenyi bense me yogo sira chisemi anena abayiboli na kwene kubinangwa kandi abale abana babo school fees irikogenderera amasomo abo ase enseme iniga deruna ereni gabwatekerenga buna giskuru Jones chiwodi ya chikora buya na boroki wabakore buya irigosuka gochiboseni haya kwanidaya ekarata rede skuru ya St Charles Kebeo sokorotota omwana oyo anyarite kagokonya kogenderia masomo aye ekarata gete kotiga kogenda kwende skuru kubatikana no boromerwe bwechibese turego kyanyarite kagokwanira abana abo ekaranyarite kaweka ase skuru eyo ya St Charles Kebeo egotoka se wodi ya Masige East
to make your school shine so that you can compete with other schools like Riambase, your neighbors here, Nyabisase, Kireli, and other schools, isn't it? Yes. Because you have the potential, you got teachers here, I've heard from them, they're a dedicated team. So I challenge you all to work very hard. And maybe, next time when I come here, I'll ask maybe 10 people from each class, those who are disciplined and hardworking. I arrange a trip for you, even to Masai Mara. Are we together? Yes, I know most of you come from families of, you have come from a diverse background. Mukona challenges mingi, sindio? Lakini you have to encourage also your parents to work very hard and even try to pay school fees. Mwalimu has been crying. Majority of the students, they don't pay what? School fees. But see shida yenyu, I know times are very bad. The economy is not doing very well. But anytime you find the chance to talk to your parents, waambie clear my school fees so that the school can also offer us services. Like now, they don't have money for food because most of you have not paid. So if you also encourage your parents to see the sense of paying school fees well in time, the teachers can deliver to their mandate effectively.
Ekerotogo skabo siumu nyakirogo buye body ya Chotamo Development Company Warita Osebe Nyambati niganyaririga kuboria serikali kwendera kubeke miroberio yogosira ensemeyo ya GDC buno bokorari bugochi kwene kibuna nkonyora tore chinguru cyumuriro ase ense ya Kenya kakwana ritkorera rero anase county ya Nakuru sogo chakiwa kumoroberio omenenkai Chotamo project uyu nyarako ikirenwa n'umukonyi b'umurayi bw'ense rigatika shawa nigobono Nyambati ateruna serikali ya Kenya kwanza nigebwatekerengekia ocyasaba Kenya nande karwarasire umuroberio o GDC.
And GDC is the way to go. But we also want to produce enough power, Your Excellency, in line with Kenya Kwanza manifesto of power in this country, so that we are able to serve the entire country and also attract investors from out to come and invest in our country. Much for being here, and we request you to continue supporting us. The government a lot of money and resources for the development of this GDC, and we don't take it for granted. We just want to request you, Your Excellency, to continue supporting us.
Omunaji ebina monene Martha Koome nigo bananyarire kago kwanira igoro yoboteneri anene ase obwagachi bwebigambiro abasinzito ya Kenya bwairiregeka asebono akomochi bali baetwe konda yokwagacha chinyumba echo asateruna nigo yairire gobokoreri bwebigambiro gotakorekana buya kubwatikana na magacha yanyarire kubora asibona rige kurege tindigo cyasa abanyakonda abo nambari jokore meremo yawo buya nigo barachiko urubo nyakonda ubo nabande kwegwa eri ebigambiro bikonyora magacho yogokorera gosiyoko na chire bina byabo asensi ya Kenya.
It is true, infrastructure in the judiciary is a big challenge. Beginning from where we sit in the Supreme Court, that building was built in 1929, meant to accommodate 6 judges. But now it is the home for the whole Supreme Court, Court of Appeal, and the administrative wing of the judiciary. We kind of sit on one another. That problem has been identified countrywide. We need infrastructure, buildings that can support the delivery of justice to the people. Mombasa is a major concern because this is a place where we thought we have solved the problem of infrastructure by building the Justice Tower, which was built with the support of the World Bank. But unfortunately, we were let down by the contractor. We have not been able to launch that building or open it officially because it has been found to have structural defects. A team from the Judicial Service Commission Audit Committee visited and filed a report. Issues were raised with the contractor, and the contractor ran away from the site. So we have had to engage another contractor who is taking over the building.
Omurai bomo bwazimyura umoja wa Kenya Raila Amolo Odinga nigabona singirire kugendera kumoja serikali ya Kenya Kwanza anekrate abuna Kenya Kwanza gese sobisi gojakiro mutinyo kianda omwakori mbako mutinyo watatu omwakoyo niyo Kenya Kwanza yanyarige gotwara likabeso linene kubwariri omurayi mukoro Uhuru Kenyatta bwate boigo nigo Raila teruna Ruto tigatige kungaina ba Kenya kuna Kenya nigibwate dini nyinge nande nigo yabege tuna barayi barweto korende asateruna Ruto nerogendete kubika madeni asense ya Kenya.
To what Ruto promised and what he's saying, borrowing has gone up instead of coming down. But strangely, the cash crunch continues. In September 2022, when Uhuru Kenyatta officially handed over to Ruto, Kenya's total debt was 8.701 trillion. I repeat, 8.701 trillion. Of this, 4.33 trillion was external debt, while 4.366 was domestic debt. As at March 2023, that is in 6 months after Ruto took over, Kenya's debt rose from 8.701 trillion to 9.390 trillion. Our debt rose by 689 billion shillings in 6 months under Ruto. 689. External debt, which stood at 4.33 trillion in September of 2022, rose to Kenya shillings 4.851 trillion in March this year.
Sejinga kiechecho muraibu mwasimiuro moja Raila Odinga nigamochiri nando muraibu enseruto asogo taikirani chira chae chiri aleta ba Kenya kirali korigichikura aseruta se Raila ateruna obugimani obogendete gokonga aseboigo rutataraikirani chira chiri asamurukire koba umurimo.
Nobody now knows where the bottom-up economy went. The Mama Mboga, the Boda Boda, the Juakali, the hustlers. Contrast that decision to increase taxes for small businesses and merry-go-rounds with Ruto's plan to scrap VAT on aircrafts and helicopters. A benefit that should be extended to small businesses is being extended to the rich who trade aircrafts. This is not bottom up, this is top bottom. Ruto promised to respect every job and its contribution to the economy. This does not look like respect for every job.
Engane yo ya Raila nigo ya iruoko boko na Martha Karua oiboigo mochire serikali ya Kenya kwanza soko betereria ba Kenya ojiwakane bango enene asebatarara goseno bogimambo gendete gosunyunta na gosuguma aba Kenya.
Finance bill is an indication that the Kenya Kwanza government has waged an economic war against citizens and especially the vulnerable. You would expect that during these hard times, there would be measures to cushion the vulnerable. You would expect that food items, critical items, you remember that Azimio has been on the forefront of asking for the lowering of cost of living, actually demanding for the lowering of cost of living. This bill is a contempt card on those demands because its net effect will be to push the cost of living upwards, as has been very eloquently explained. Once you raise VAT on fuel, there's a ripple effect on virtually everything. When you tax exempt things that were zero rated, once again, the effect is pushing the prices up of essential items such as medicine, critical medicine.
Ababisa buburendi kurwa sensemo ya Transmara ni gobono barurege kurege tindigo cyasaba na siasa bari baratowekane bagosegeta kisegi a sensemeyu anani gakoba osinigago cha magiga yerio roche ogosambwa gwikinyomba mo nobosalia banyarabo kurekana sensemeyu ya Transmara a sensemeri ya Nkararo eno retet somobago yo asikinyomba cyasambwa nebintu gosareka sensemeyu sebana banyimbabo barurege kurekyo gocyasaba na siasa.
Tumekuwa hapa tukaongea tukawa kama tumesikizana, lakini nikiangalia hii chanzo cha huu msoso wa sasa ni kwamba kuna wanasiasa wale ambao walichakuliwa juzi ndio wanajaribu kuambia watu yao kwamba mashamba yenu ina overlap towards the other side. I want to say that as per law, kulingana na Ministry of Lands, kwamba the guideline is the boundary. Hakuna shamba ambaye ina overlap. Kama mtu maybe anafikiria shamba lake liko linaruka pande hiyo ingine, nataka na vile nimewaambia kutoka zamani, let him or her go to court, na mimi niko na uhakika koti itamsikiza, alafu koti itapeana mwelekeo. Hii tabia ya kujificha kwa committee
aborokia banene begisukuru korwase county ya Umabeini gobono banyoranete anene nabadeneli babanyanyimbo korwase nsemeyo ekarwari ukwande miruberio yoborendi yetakere kobekwa chisukuru erigo konya chisukuru korwa samabe aliagoita aikera chisukuru kaukwana senseme yo somo yigo oraetwe no county commissioner abwensemo ya Homa Bay Moses Lilan nigo bona teruna inere nchere yamo yo kwena kana kubatera nabale n'abantu banene n'abantu bande kobeke miruberio mia chisukuru.
Back from here, this meeting, we've asked them to liaise with the sub-county security teams to ensure they work with the station commanders, work with the police officers, work with the national government administration officers to ensure there is security in the schools. The preoccupation of our learning institution is academic excellence, and this will only be achieved in a secure, a safe, and conducive environment. So that is what we have agreed to do. And the linkages, of course, that we are establishing will ensure that the schools are secured. That is the main issue that we are working with today. Among other issues, we are talking about drugs.
Ekero togosuka bosoni gobone kurege tindi kyarure gochi asonde bwensi uriora toke ega koiba na koni oboyo boriwe serikali ekorugochi ase abaremi Kaukwana nomo regional police commander as county ya Nairobi Adamson Bungei oibono teruna nigobacha kirobotuki anene kwenekia osekero banyari bakobeka byara abakagerwa bali banyari bagotoka bakoni oboyo goseko rusyo oboyo asituguniche serikali ojase cyabo ojasensemeri ya rungarunga.
Today during our normal operations within the entire command of Nairobi, we got information that there was some illegal business going on within this particular go-down, which is within Lungalunga, within the areas of Nanyuki Road. And our teams who are on the ground were able to come, or rather to check in. And in their normal operation, they were able to find that there was some packaging of the local fertilizer, which was meant to be the subsidy, or it was meant to be supplied by the government as a subsidy. But again, after we got in, we realized that they were doing a repackaging of the same.
Ekerobono chibunge cheji county jigendrede goteneni bikaro byabo nigo bona bemsie korwase county ya West Pokot na barabanyari bagotenenya egoseba kwenda somutmoko wechwikibere yani gago chamagega yo atabuna magani abotara ikiraniwa bona bagwa krish wosebona bemsie bensemeyo yani gago ja nonyena se county ya Nyamira ntoro chebune bikarebyo bonombya nyarete bigoteneni wa segeka kubatikana niko bakomoche serikali ene naso gotabwa tukachibese bwangoje sti county boigo magani abo bona bemsie taraikiraniwa bona atakire.
I support the adjournment of the House so that the SRC will listen to us, and we are in solidarity with our fellow members around Kenya, Mr. Speaker. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir, for again allowing to adjourn. The reason for our adjournment is we gave 14 days ultimatum for them to listen to us, and that is the SRC, but they have turned a deaf ear to us. And it looks like the only language SRC understands is when we go home. And we have decided to go for 2 weeks. If this is not loud enough for SRC to hear, then we will come back and again go for another 4 weeks. And we will always be doubling the times we are going so that it becomes louder and louder until SRC hears. We hope if they hear. If they don't hear, we look for...
Yubono na kwarianira se Chinsa jiga Isano Ibere kondinyona Jinsa ikomi na nujuganyora senjera yoko yachuta karense ya mujuganyora senjera yobikiranu karatwende toko yariganeria koruchingongo inye Chinsa no kubona genda kubwati Ndizi TV na Rwanda Usi Fancy Kelly no arinke Dolphin Mura ngo bakirambye mona karomwera na mwensi bali mwera libagari ndi abana kubwati amangana aya ko Ndizi TV Rwanda Usi Joshua Auta na Rolinga sensa meriyo monu wemanyerero abugari nyancha mwene kibinago chira senjera yeriogi amone chivicha njina ya soma Brighton Makori.